Have you ever wondered what lies at the deepest, darkest corners of our planet? Beneath the sparkling waves, far beyond the reach of sunlight, lies an alien world. A world of crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and mysterious creatures. Today, we're diving into the Earth's deepest points, places so extreme that only a handful of humans have dared to explore them. And trust me, the secrets lurking down there are far more fascinating than you might think. So, are you ready to dive into the unknown? Let's explore. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our oceans. It's a realm of mystery, teeming with life forms we've barely begun to understand. But where exactly are the deepest points? How did they form? And what lives down there? In this video, we'll uncover 5 of the deepest points in Earth's oceans, their mind-blowing depths, and the extraordinary stories they hold. Stay with us until the end, because the journey to the bottom of the ocean is as thrilling as it gets. The Challenger Deep, the king of depths. Let's start with the grand champion of ocean depths, the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean near Guam, the Challenger Deep plunges a staggering 10,984 meters, almost 11 kilometers, into the Earth. Imagine this. If you drop Mount Everest into the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be over 2 kilometers underwater. The pressure down there is so intense, over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, that it would instantly crush most human-made objects. And yet life exists here. Microorganisms called extremophiles thrive in this hostile environment, feeding on chemicals released from the Earth's crust. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron became one of the few people to visit the Challenger Deep, descending solo in a specially designed submersible. His description? A desolate, alien landscape. But why is it so deep? The Mariana Trench is where 2 tectonic plates collide, forcing one plate to dive beneath the other. This process, called subduction, creates deep ocean trenches like the Challenger Deep. The Tonga Trench, a close rival. Next up is the Tonga Trench, located in the South Pacific. At its deepest point, the Horizon Deep, it reaches 10,882 meters, just shy of the Challenger Deep. The Tonga Trench is unique because it's geologically younger, making it more active. Scientists have even recorded some of the fastest tectonic plate movements here. This constant activity makes the area a hotspot for underwater earthquakes and tsunamis. Interestingly, scientists have discovered snailfish living in these crushing depths. These delicate-looking creatures defy expectations, thriving in conditions where most life forms would perish. Their secret? Gelatinous bodies that can withstand immense pressure. The Philippine Trench, a silent giant. Heading to the Philippines, we find the Philippine Trench, also known as the Mindanao Trench. Its deepest point, the Galathea depth, plunges 10,540 meters. This trench is less explored than the Mariana or Tonga trenches, but it holds its own secrets. Formed by the collision of the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate, it's a testament to the Earth's powerful geological forces. One of the most intriguing discoveries here was a species of deep-sea amphipod, a shrimp-like creature, found living off the organic matter that drifts down from above. These creatures are part of a fascinating ecosystem where every scrap of food is a precious resource. The Kermatic Trench, the hidden wonder. Moving south, we arrive at the Kermatic Trench near New Zealand. Its deepest point, the Shoal Deep, reaches 10,047 meters. The Kermatic Trench is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, meaning it's surrounded by volcanic and seismic activity. This trench has revealed some of the most bizarre creatures ever seen, including translucent sea cucumbers and giant amphipods. What makes the Kermatic Trench especially interesting is the role it plays in carbon sequestration. The organic material that sinks into the trench gets trapped for thousands, even millions of years, helping regulate the Earth's carbon cycle. The Puerto Rico Trench, the Atlantic's deepest point. Finally, let's head to the Atlantic Ocean. While it doesn't have the dramatic depths of the Pacific, the Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest point in the Atlantic, reaching 8,376 meters at the Milwaukee Deep. Located near Puerto Rico, this trench is notorious for its seismic activity. Scientists believe it's a potential source of future tsunamis. The trench is also home to unique species like deep-sea corals and bioluminescent fish that light up the darkness. The Puerto Rico Trench serves as a reminder that even the shallower, deep points of the ocean are still largely uncharted and full of surprises. Conclusion: the uncharted frontier. As we ascend back to the surface, one thing is clear. The ocean's depths remain one of the greatest frontiers of human exploration. From the crushing depths of the Challenger Deep to the hidden wonders of the Kermatic Trench, these places push the limits of our understanding of life, geology, and the planet itself. And here's the most exciting part. There's still so much left to discover. Only about 5% of the ocean has been explored, which means the stories we've shared today are just the beginning. Who knows what other mysteries lie hidden in the vast blue unknown? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Earth's oceans, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing explorations, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What fascinates you most about the ocean's depths? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, there's always more beneath the surface.